Hello guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Can everyone hear me fine? Awesome. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Skyjack. I hope everyone had a great New Year, had a great Christmas. And guys, let's make this a great year, okay? Let's start our trade challenge and see where we could get that. And most importantly, let's have a good week. Let's start off with a really good week here. Markets are looking pretty good. AMAT here, as you guys can see in the front, we got a pretty decent sized trade on AMAT.
TSLA, Tesla has officially launched the Model Y in China and begun taking orders from customers on New Year's Day with a 30% price markdown after China news.
Hold on one sec. Getting a nice climb. Let me log into the regular account here. Alrighty guys, AMAT's still on the climb. Let's see here. Nice gain today in the regular account here. Our trade challenge account is empty, so we'll be looking for some trade challenge trades here shortly. AMAT's looking good, guys. We have an AMAT trade here, as you guys could see here on this chart right here. That's a 3-month daily chart here on the left of AMAT. Obviously, you guys can see we're breaking through that 10, 20-day simple moving average. We have support right around 85 to 84 bucks there. Pretty tight support area there. So, you know, 83.50 to 85-ish, that's going to be support. AMAT's breaking out. It's in breakout momentum. Right now, breaking above that resistance. We're just now looking for that 10-20 cross. The MACD moving average convergence divergence is starting to climb. We're almost getting across on that. Baidu had a big day, up about 2% here in the pre-market hours. It was up much more than that, but now we pulled back a little bit since opening bell, only up about 1.5%. Our Disney trade's up pretty nicely. We got another trade on Disney. We got the June 18th 185 strike call. We're up again on that, over $230 today on that. Starting the day off really well here. Bank of America trades up about $120. We're only down about 25% on that trade right now. Let's see here.
Vuzix to review ZI, how the press release Vuzix completes phase 2 development and delivers customized waveguide-based head-worn display engine to a major U.S. defense contractor. And shares.
Okay, let's see here.
930 level, trading at 935.
All right, AMAT's still on the climb. Let's take a look at that today on a today 1-minute chart. Still getting a nice climb on AMAT. Let's see. We already got a 5% gain on AMAT. Here's the trade we made last week on AMAT. Let me just share this with you here because this is a pretty decent sized trade that I made on AMAT. It's looking good. Still continuing to break out. We're up 675 bucks on that today. There she goes again. Another big breakout on AMAT. 87.71 a share. Now we're up another 100 bucks on it. So what I really want to look for is, number one, I want to see if there's any type of sector rotations this week. Let's see here.
The 37.50 level, trading at 37.52, 37.52 flat right now. The S&P 500 futures. And Tesla shares here popping higher after the open, up about 3% here, moving significantly higher in TSLA.
Okay, so we got about a 6.32% gain overall on that now, and she's still climbing. I'm watching AMAT here in the background, 87.77. We're now up over 7% on the AMAT trade, still breaking higher, and it's a quick 800 bucks for the day, and a quick 420 bucks overall there. So you know what? I'm gonna lock that in. It's April 16th Expo, but you know what? It's a quick gain there. Wanted to lock that in. Let's see, 610 by 640 she's going for. I'm going to put in a limit of 6.25, see if we get an execution there. Sell to close, place order, view order, and it is open there. So we should get that executed soon there. I mean, she's still breaking higher there. 6.25, it's open order right now on AMAT. Here it is right here. Get that up.
To postpone second dose of COVID-19 vaccine according to...
There we go, guys. We got an execution on our AMAT trade. We are out of it at 6.25. That was a quick $420-some gain. So we just locked that in. Now let's look for our next trade here. AMAT's still taking off nicely. We'll be jumping back into that one soon. Let's see here. Facebook down about 75 cents. Q's still climbing there, but holding above the 10, 20, 50 SMA. There goes AMAT again. I'm thinking about doing a weekly trade here on AMAT even. Let's see. Our snap trade's finally in the green. January 8th, 50 strike. AMAT's still on the run, guys. Still going on AMAT. Remember, that had a big upgrade last week. So you know what? I might start to look into a weekly trade on that. Let's see what it's going for.
The S&P 500 futures now turning negative for the session, trading 37.4775.
Let's see here. January 8th.
0.1% here in the S&P 500 futures.
88 strike going for about $1.68. That to me is pretty expensive. That's something we'd probably want to do an in-the-money vertical spread with. Let's see here. What else do we got going on? Let's check our watch list here.
TSLA.
Baidu up about 2%.
Calithera Biosciences shares halted on a circuit breaker.
Bank of America up about 15 cents for the day. Tesla's having a big run here today, guys. Take a look at Tesla. Big run on Tesla today. Shares up about 3%. 3-month daily chart. I mean, she looks like she's going for $1,000. I think I might do a trade on Tesla going out a little bit further, maybe to the February expiration. Let's see here if we have anything. AZN, Denmark to postpone second dose of COVID-19 vaccine for AstraZeneca. That's something to look into. Why are they postponing their second dose of COVID-19 vaccine? Alrighty, Roth Capital maintains buy on Silicon Laboratories. SLAB raises price target to $140 a share. Roth Capital maintains buy on SiTime, raises price target to $130 SITM. Let's take a look at that quick. I'm watching Tesla here as well. Tesla starts to climb. I definitely want to do something with Tesla, but that's a volatile stock there, so I'll wait there for the right opportunity. Baidu's still on the climb here, guys. Baidu's going to be one to keep an eye on. You take a look at Baidu, shares still climbing, 222, 223 a share now. 3-month daily chart here on Baidu. She's still breaking higher. I think she's easily going to see that 230 this week. I think I'm going to do a small trade on Baidu for this week. Let's see what the option chain looks like first off. See how expensive they are. That's not too bad there, the 225 strike. Let me see what Bob is doing. Baba's shares are down about $5, down about 2%. So going to be waiting a little bit on that one, on the Baidu. Baidu's still breaking higher though, so maybe I might do a little trade here on Baidu. Let's see here, Baidu.
Coming up in about 5 minutes, manufacturing PMI for December.
Pick up a contract here on this one for now for this week's expo. Do I want to do that? 223.25. I'm watching Baidu here on the other chart. I'll have that ready. Let's see what Q's Inspire doing. Today, 1 minute. Q's are just breaking down here. You know, you got a big breakdown on Q's. SPY doing the same thing, pulling back. So, smart thing to do is hold off on those long calls there. Wait until the market starts shifting our direction. Let's see here. Tesla has officially launched the Model Y in China and begun taking orders from customers on New Year's Day with the 30% price markdown. That's not too bad, Tesla. See what those shares are doing. They're still on the climb there. Love to get something longer term there on Tesla. There goes Tesla going. Okay, trading options. I'm going to make a small trade here on Tesla, guys. Main account. Tesla call. We're going to go with the let's go with the February 19th monthly expo there. The 740 strikes. Wow, that's insanely expensive. $72. All right, so we'll pick up one contract of that. That's going to be a volatile stock there, guys, okay? But this is what we're going to do. I know why it always does that. Alrighty, so let's see here. 71.60 by 72.25. I'm going to put it in a limit, 72.00. That's going to be a $7,200 trade, good for the day. This is going to be for the February 19th expo. I want some time. That's about a month and a half on our side, a little over that. 740 strike. I think we should be good on that. I'm going to pick that up here. Place order. View order. And let's see if we have an execution. Baidu's still on the run here as well. What is going on with E-Trade here? Let me refresh this, see what's going on there. Okay, that's an open order on Tesla. Tesla's taking off there. Let's see, let's change that a little bit here. We'll go up to 74.
Continuing higher here after the open, up 4.6%. Above the 735 level, trading around 7.
Alrighty, guys, we have an execution at 74.19 on Tesla. I'm going to share that in the trade room here. This is a regular trade, guys. So this is a type of trade that's better for the larger accounts. There you go, guys. There's the execution on Tesla. Let me share that here with you guys as well. So here is the Tesla trade right here. Buy to open. We had an limit order in for $75. We got executed at $74.19. So it's a $7,419 trade per contract. And again, this is for the February 19th expiration. So don't be worried about the intraday volatility with Tesla. You guys know Tesla's a big mover. She moves 3% easily here and there. So make sure you watch that. Let's go over the stops and targets on that right now. So if we take a look at a 3-month daily here, where you can see obviously we're already at new highs, I really do believe that we're going to see Tesla at about, I think we're going to see it at close to $1,000 a share by February, expiration. So I'm just going to let that continue to run. She's at new highs of the day once again here. And we'll just let that one run over the course of the few days there, especially as Biden administration comes into office there. I think that's going to quickly make us some money. I mean, we just made that trade on Tesla, and I mean, look at what we're up on it already. Already up a quick $215 on it.
Seeing a headline from TechCrunch that
Up about 3%.
wants to invest in ShareChat.
$215.49. Really nice gain there.
Snap Inc. shares spiking on that news. Still down about 1.25 for the session in the SNAP.
Alrighty, Tesla shares are looking good. Guys, Intel. Did you guys see Intel lately? We have an Intel trade open for the February 19th, 5250 strike call. Intel shares are up 2.43% here on the day. Continuing that breakout momentum cycle phase here. Looking really good. Love that breakout on Intel, guys. I really think we're going to see that 53 to possibly even 55 by expiration on that Intel trade. Intel came right back. You guys see how important it is to be disciplined there. That thing was down about 60% on us, maybe even 70%. Now we're almost in the green on that Intel trade. Let's put Tesla up over here. Tesla's still climbing there. Near the highs of the day on Tesla once again. Baidu pulling back a little bit. I think we could easily see Tesla at 750 today. If you guys want a little bit safer of a trade here, we could definitely look at an in-the-money vertical spread on Tesla, even for this week's expo. I think that'd work out pretty well. Let's see here. What else do we got going on?
10 a.m. construction spending for November plus 1% expected. Also, Fed's Evans and Fed's Bostic will be speaking at
Put BAC up here. Bank of America shares still looking pretty good. Slowly climbing, holding that 10-day simple moving average. I don't know why I'm not seeing the 20 here. Let me see. Intel's still on the rise. There goes Tesla here as well. Let's see the trade room here. Let's see here. Bank of America getting another nice climb there off that 10. Qs. Let's see. Amazon. Wanted to see Amazon do something. Amazon's coming off the lows right here. Let's take a look at Amazon while we're watching Intel continue to break out there. Amazon's just coming off the lows here. I don't know why it's not showing me the 10, 20, 50. It's only showing me the 10 there. Nice climb there on Amazon. Maybe we could do a nice little here comes that 10-20 cross now. Here comes the 20. Bank of America at that 10. I want to see Amazon start to break out because that's a quick move. That's a 20-point move from 32.49 or 32.50 to 32.70 where it was at this morning. Energy sector is going to be great going into into the February expo. You have to understand that that's totally because of sector rotation with the new president coming in. Democrats are big on energy, so that's why you're seeing that big energy pop there. TSM, that's getting a nice pop today. Thai Semiconductors, right? Someone brought that up a few weeks ago. ASML. Little pullback on Amazon there. Let's see what we got here. What's AMAT doing?
Alpha Michael Delta, AMD popping.
AMAT's still running, guys. You guys see AMAT?
Alpha Michael
Man, oh man, what a run on AMAT. Sold that one a little bit early this morning.
Big call activity in AMD.
Call activity on AMD. I was waiting for that crossover on Amazon here for a possible entry. Didn't get it. Moving on to the next one there. AMD, they're saying a lot of call activity coming in. Look at AMD running. Wow, what a breakout there. Big run. Easy 97.50 target. We could possibly make a nice little trade on AMAT or AMD here. Watching AMAT up above here too. AMAT's looking good there, holding that 10. Let's see. Maybe we can make a little trade here on AMD for this week. When the option premiums are expensive as they are, I like to do vertical spreads. We'll take a look, see about possibly doing a vertical spread here on AMD if she continues to run there. She breaks at 94.50. I'm probably going to be entering. I'm watching Amazon closely because I know once she starts to settle off that support, we can make a nice quick day trade there for some nice gains on Amazon. AMD still breaking out. I'll look for something on AMD here. I'll go out a little bit more with the January 15th expo. Let's see here. Call January 15th. Let's see here. The 95 strike. Got a lot of volume coming in for the 95 strike. She's going for about 345. Now at 350. Get 3 contracts of that. Pick that up. So that's just going to be a nice little small trade there, about $1,000. And there we go. We have an execution on AMD at $3.50. So we are in AMD. Alrighty, there we go. We just made a couple of trades this morning. We closed out of AMAT. We made the Tesla trade. Bank of America coming off the lows there. Tesla's climbing off that 20. Let me put these trades on YouTube here.
PSTG, Betaville saying PSTG close to being bought for $30 to $40, says Dell and Lenovo are the lead bidders. That's from Betaville. That's Papa Sandy Tango Golf, PSTG.
AMD trades in the nice. Tesla trade is for the Feb.
PSTG popping to the highs now, 23.45. Papa Sandy Tango Golf.
There we go. Got that one up there on YouTube for you guys.
Also trading now, Papa Sandy Tango Golf.
Let's see, third one, AMD. Price 3.50.
Pure Storage hitting 23.55 at the high, PSTG.
And there we go. There's our trades we made. Tesla's climbing again. There goes Tesla. AMD's coming back off that 10-day simple moving average. I'm watching Bank of America almost near the highs of the day. Getting right up to that 30.52 area. Tesla wants to have another nice breakout there. Shares up about 5% for the day. And there goes Bank of America, guys. New highs of the day. New highs of the day. 30.53 on Bank of America. Intel trades up $500 today. Nice gains on Intel.
SNDL, Sundial Growers popping here.
There goes Bank of America again. Here's BAC. Let's show that here. That's up nicely today. Shares up about 0.76%. There she goes in breakout. She broke out of that consolidation at 30.53. As you guys can see right here at the 932 candle, the 946 candle, breaking out of that area there and continuing to break higher. Looking good. Intel is still on the climb there.
Shares of Tilray popping to the highs.
Tilray weed stocks are continuing to climb here. Let's see, TCNNF. That's the one that I know here in Florida, TCNNF. That's True Leave. That stock's up about 3.32%. Let's see what Tilray's doing. TLRY. Tilray's still breaking higher. Nice, up about 9% for the day. Let's see, Paula. She says she's smoking some CGC here. Some CGC profits. Are you in that trade, Paula? That stock is smoking higher. Nice climb off that 50. 25 support. We could be looking at an easy $29 target on CGC. Canopy growth. Guys, Baidu's still on the climb too. Baidu's up almost 5% for the day here. We had a nice gain on our Baidu trade. Ended up locking that in. Bank of America continuing to break out there. There she goes, 30.56 a share on Bank of America. CGC's looking good there. Paula, did you end up getting in it?
MCD, McDonald's says crispy chicken sandwiches to come in classic, deluxe, and spicy.
Guys, I don't know what it is down here about MCD, but McDonald's, they have lines like literally down the block here. I don't know if people are just picking up some cheap food or what, but McDonald's lines have been crazy around here. There goes Intel, or not Intel, Bank of America back at new highs of the day, 30.57. Baidu, guys, take a look at Baidu here, BIDU, on a today 1 minute chart, BIDU. Today 1 minute, another nice breakout there. She's going for that 230 this week. There's no question about that. Let's see. Dwayne Clark says, why is tech falling so much? Yeah, just intraday moves there, Dwayne. I mean, tech's only down literally 0.06% for the day. NASDAQ's only down about $7 points for the day. Dow's down about 100. You're seeing, though, this is what's important. Watch the watch list here. You see this watch list? This is what's important, guys. You know, look at what's got some momentum behind it. You're seeing sector rotation here. So what I want you to do is focus on this watch list. When I click on this, so where's my link 1? Link 1's over here. So watch this. There goes Baidu again. But when I click on Amazon, you're going to see these charts as I click on them. They're going to come up on the left over here. So take a look at this. Let's change this to 3-month daily. Okay. Amazon, it's still in breakout momentum. It retraced down to that 10-day simple moving average after having that big breakout all the way up to 33.50 a share. Retraced back down to 32.30-ish. So, one to watch. If she bounces off that 10, I'll be entering. Baidu, I mean, look at Baidu. Breakout momentum, consolidation at that 10, big breakout again. Now, if you zoom out here to look at those next resistance levels, you're going to see you have some resistance right around 230. And then you're going to have more right around 250. And then the next one's at around 275. So I think Baidu's got a lot of room to run. And I really think that this is a trade that you want to get for 3 months out till Expo. You want to do a solid trade, do 3 months out till expiration, pick up some Baidu ATM at the money strike calls, and just wait for that. Target number 1's going to be 230. Target number 2 will be 250. Target 3 will be 275. There goes Tesla here starting to climb again. Bank of America's holding that 10-day simple moving average, and AMAT here is consolidating a little bit. So let's continue to go down. Here's Facebook. What's it doing? It's in consolidation, meaning we're not going to be trading that until we see a decent-sized move there. Baba, not doing too much. She's in breakdown momentum on a daily chart there. Not going to be trading that until she breaks at least 240. Google's holding that 50-day. Next green candle would be a nice entry. You could have a target of 1850 on a trade that's longer than 30 days out till Expo. Disney, she's still in breakout momentum, pulling back a little bit from the highs that we just had last week, coming back down to that 10-day, and then you'll be looking for that next breakout on that. Netflix, same thing. Breakout momentum, retracement from those highs just last week when she got up to almost 550. Now we're coming back down to that 10, looking for that next breakout there. Priceline, Twitter's looking good, but it's still consolidating. Look for that break above 55 bucks a share. JP Morgan, financials are still looking pretty strong here. I like the financials. Here's Bank of America. Bank of America is still in breakout momentum, isn't it? You saw she consolidated last week for a couple of days. Now she's breaking that resistance, breaking that 30-50. Easy 31 or higher this week. Delta, not doing too much on Delta. The airlines, there's another Southwest. Tesla's looking good. Shares up 4.5%. AIG consolidating. Caterpillar's looking pretty good there. I know we got a couple of people that love to trade Caterpillar. Caterpillar's looking great. I want to look for some good day trades here, guys. Intel shares at the highs of the day once again. We're in the green on our... I keep saying Intel. Yeah, well, that is Intel. I'm watching AMD, though, up above, continuing to climb. Intel, though, look at those highs on Intel. New highs of the day on Intel, 51.25. Facebook, Google, Amazon. We went over Baba, Twitter. Microsoft coming down to that 20. We'll be looking for another breakout there. Guys, Baidu's at new highs of the day right now. CRM. Where is Pierre? I wonder if he listened there when we talked about getting out of that Salesforce last week. Goldman Sachs retracing off the highs this morning. Nike, let's see what Nike's doing there. Nike retraced down to that 20. But look at what Nike's been doing here. You know, if you take a look here, Nike's been coming down to that 20, 20, 20, and now back at that 20. So we haven't broken below that 20 on this breakout momentum cycle on Nike, which is really important here. I want to see that continue to run. Paula said she got out of CGC. Still holding 150 shares. Paula, are you selling some covered calls against it? Let's see here. Let's continue to get on that list. Verizon not doing too much. Square had a nice pop this morning. Not doing too much right now. Schlumberger, SLB is looking pretty good. 24 target to be an easy one. BP. XCC is looking pretty good. Boeing there. Look at Boeing continuing to pull back there. That'll be a nice one once that starts to break out again. Gilead. Looking pretty good there. Look at that climb off those lows around 56. Back up to almost 59. That could be an easy 62 target.
Slack is down for many users.
Slack is down for many users, they're saying. Visa's not doing too much. Visa was struggling with that 220 last week. Remember we were talking about that? See how she consolidated for about 3 days there at that 220? And now she failed to break that 220. Now, like a Visa trade here, you're not going to be jumping into Visa until she breaks that 220. Once she breaks that 220, that'll be a nice entry there. Nvidia having a nice breakout there. That's looking pretty good. Shares up over 3%. That could be an easy breakout here, guys, that we could be looking for. That's not too bad. I'm going to put Nvidia down on my watch list here that I have my notebook here. Nvidia at 538.81. I'm also going to set an alert on Nvidia. Let's see here. Nvidia. We're going to look for a climb on Nvidia above, let's say, 442 or 542. 542. There we go. I have that set here. And that will alert us once we get that breakout. Here's FedEx on a daily chart. Look at that pullback from those highs on FedEx. This is going to be a heck of a good trade here once we get that settling off support. Nice thing about it, you got some support right around where we're at, around 255. I'd love to pick up some FedEx here and look for that climb there. We'll wait until she's done dropping, though, just to be on the safe side there. She's consolidating now for the past 3 candles on a daily chart, but I'll wait to be on the safe side there. Tesla up 4.5%. AMD still looking good there. Here's a today 1-minute chart on AMD, still holding that blue 20-day simple moving average. Let's keep going down here. Tilray's up over 2% or 10% here. Tilray's looking really good. Intraday moves there, Tyler. Let's see. Micron was having a really nice move today. There's that 1020 cross. Looking good on Micron. They had a big price target change on Micron, too. Johnson & Johnson, TXN. Not a bad move there either. This TRUL. This one's up 62% for the day. EWZ, CVX, Chevron. Bank of America is still in breakout momentum. That's what you got to look for on a daily. BRZU, this is a Brazilian ETF. PBR, this is Petrobras. Embraer. Moderna is down 80% from the highs there. Climbing off that 100 support. Airbnb had a big pullback from those highs. Booking coming back down to that 10.
NCTY, the 9 limited, resuming after a circuit breaker halt. Now at 599, coming back here, having a high of 977.
Let's see what we can see here. What are the
ERTS car parts, February 12.5, all activity, Papa Romeo Tango Sandy, ERTS.
AMAT's starting to climb here again as well. I might jump into another AMAT trade. Tesla's holding up pretty well. Looking for some more upgrades. Let's take a look at unusual options activity for today.
TLRY Tilray weekly.
Nice green candle there on Tesla, guys.
1,500 contracts. Tango Lima Romeo Yankee Tilray.
Let's see.
Having trouble getting help for erectile dysfunction? Get help fast with Lemonade Health. Just answer a few questions. And they can send you medication so you can get better quickly. Visit lemonadehealth.com today.
Medical school was very stressful. I lost a lot of hair during that time.
Guys, here's the top unusual options activity for today.
Natural. You can't argue with clinical proof. Start your hair growth journey at nutralhealth.com. This is my first time trying.
Okay, so let's see here what we got that interests us. You see MGM, they're buying the puts on that. TJX, they're picking up some calls. Let's see, I want to see a lot of call buyers coming in or put buyers. Let's see here, volume. You can see the volume over here.
20% at the high. AQMS.
TJX. Let's take a look at TJX quick. There goes Tesla over here on the right, taking off again. TJX. 3-month daily chart. Doesn't look too bad. AMAT's getting another climb here, guys. AMD, our trade on AMD is taking off. We're back in the green on AMD. Up about 3% on AMD. Our Tesla is still up in the green nicely. That TJX, I don't know why they're picking up that TJX.
Slack now tweeting. Customers may experience issues connecting to Slack to loading channels at this time. Our team is on the case and we'll keep you posted. Apologies for any disruption. That's WRK. Slack.
Guys, there's a lot of puts coming in on MGM. Let's take a look at MGM quick. There goes AMD. We're back in the green on AMD. Up a quick 50 bucks on our AMD trade. Nice little run there. Tesla's still on the climb.
Russian energy minister says OPEC Plus remains committed to remain flexible in decision making.
Efren said Pinterest shares are spiking higher, guys. There goes our AMD trade. We got a quick $60 gain on our AMD trade, up over 5% on AMD. Tesla's still on the climb, looking good. I'm really upset I closed out that AMAT trade so early. Let's see what Disney's doing here. Disney's pulling back from the highs a bit. 3-month daily chart, though, she's still looking good. There goes Tesla, another big breakout on Tesla. Big breakout on Tesla, guys. Back up over 2% on the Tesla trade. AMD trade's looking good, up about 5%. Guys, I set my chemotherapy appointment a little bit earlier. Last time it was at 1:30. That's all they had. So this time I have it set for 11:30. It's usually about a 2-hour, sometimes 2.5 hour. So, you know, once I get done with that, I'll be back and we'll be live. I had them cut the dose a little bit so I didn't feel too many side effects. And it worked last time, so definitely looking forward to the week here. I don't think we're going to see any symptoms this week. Let's see here. Amazon's finally coming off the lows there, getting up to that blue 20-day simple moving average at 32.30 a share. Looking for a breakout there. I might be able to do a quick day trade there. Tesla's still on the climb there. AMD's still climbing. We're up $60 on our AMD trade. Let's see, Tesla trade we're up $153 on. Intel we're up 510 bucks on today. The two trades that are hurting me a little bit today are Disney. Got about a $8,000 trade on Disney. I'm down about 1,100 bucks on that today. But again, that's for the June 18th Expo. So if we take a look at Disney, anyone in the Disney trade with me? You want me to go over that trade here, what we're looking for? Good morning, Chung Ho, Dwayne Clark, Joe Callahan. Good morning, guys. Nice to have you with us there on YouTube. There goes AMD continuing to take off there. All right, no one's in the Disney trade, I guess. Let me just show you Disney anyway. Disney pulling back on the day here. 6-month daily chart though. She's pulling back down to that 10. Looking for it to hold that 10 and continue that next leg higher. Again, we have the June expiration, so plenty of time. I think that's going to be a big run on Disney. Really looking forward to those big profits there. AMD's having a big breakout. We're up almost $100 on our AMD trade. AMD today, 1-minute chart continuing to break higher. There she goes, new highs of the day, 95.48 a share, 95.50. We're up $90 on our AMD trade, a quick 9% gain on AMD.
Shares of Nvidia and AMD both hitting new highs now. Xilinx.
Nvidia and AMD new highs. Guys, we're up $120 on our AMD trade.
Mexico's president, Lopez Obrador, says will take steps to offer political asylum to Julian Assange in Mexico.
Here is our AMD trade, guys. We're up a quick $119 on that trade we just made this morning. We picked it up at $3.50, cost basis $3.50. It's currently going for $3.85 by $3.95. Going to be holding on to that. Now we're up even more. We're up $130 on AMD. She's still continuing to break out. We're up over 12%, 13% now on our AMD. We just got an alert met. An alert condition has been met. Let's see what that is. That is buy calls on Nvidia. Nvidia just broke that 542. Guys, Tesla, new highs on Tesla here. Big breakout on Tesla. Let's see what we're looking for here. Our Tesla trade that we just made, that's up $258. Nice way to start the day, guys. Nice way to start the year. So our AMD's up about $141.41, up 13.5%. Here is our AMD trade. We're up 13.45%, $141.41. Here is our Tesla trade. Our Tesla trade's up about 3.48%. Again, we have a little bit longer term trade expo on Tesla, but $258 profit on Tesla already, combined with the $141. You know, we're up over $400 for the day already, just on those two trades. Tesla, AMD, what's the other one here we made? Oh, we closed out the AMAT trade. AMD still running, guys. We're up $160 on the AMD trade. 15% gain. Nice little run there. Are you guys in the AMD trade? $156 gain there. 15%. Nice run there. Let's see that run continue here. I put in an order for, we just sold it actually. There we go. Order status. Where the heck did it go? Order status. Where the heck did my order status go?
Health Minister Veron says big vaccine.
There we go.
With thousands of people lining up for vaccine.
Guys, so here's the order status. We were in AMD 95 calls. We completed that at $3.50. And we just sold it at $4. That was for the January 15th expo, so I'd rather take in profits there. That was in the trade challenge account, so that's a quick gain there. Quick, nice little gain there on the trade challenge account. In at $3.50, out at $4. It's about a 15% gain.
January 2022, $12 call suite, currently at
Holding on to the Tesla trade.
That's LUMN. Lima Uniform Michael November.
Guys, take a look here at the largest movers of the day here as well. You guys can see that bingo. BNGO, Bionano, Genomics, up 76%. Remember, that was only up about 30%, 40% there in the pre-market. There goes AMD taking off again here as well. Tesla on the climb. AMAT's continuing to break out here as well, guys. But take a look at the market movers list. Nice stocks here that you can be taking a look at for some quick day trades. BTBT. What's that? Bit Digital Inc. Shares up nicely. Let's see here. Link 1. So now when I click on this, it should come up right here. Let's put it on a 3-month daily chart here, see what the shares are looking like. Look at that breakout on BTBT over the past few days.
Bravo Hotel Alpha Tango shares moving.
Look at that breakout from literally, you know, she was literally 50 cents. I mean, she was 30 cents going back to June. 30 cents to over 30 bucks right now. There goes Tesla continuing to climb, guys. We got a nice trade on Tesla. Let me see here. Let's see. Let's see, Bank of America. 'Me, I'd close out Bank of America below 30 bucks. That'd be my stop on Bank of America. She's at 30.20 now. She was just at a high this morning of 30.60, so are you guys trading Nvidia? See you guys talking about it there. Nvidia is on the run. 3-month daily chart. That really looks like she's going to have another big move, doesn't it? Amazon's starting to break out here from the lows as well. That could be an easy, quick little day trade here.
ISIG Insignia Systems shares halted multiple times today. Company had a reverse stock split, trading higher now, split adjusted at $7.21. That's off the highs of the day for India Sandy, India Gulf, ISIG.
Another nice climb there on Nvidia. Guys, I'm really thinking about jumping into Amazon here. If we could break that 32.35 area and climb above that red 50. Looking for a possible day trade there.
Bank completing acquisition of Hannian Camp LLC, that's FITB, Foxtrot India Tango Bravo.
The underseat storage system keeps tools organized. TechLiner protects the bed. Globstep guards the bed.
There goes Amazon starting to climb, guys. Thinking about jumping into a quick day trade on Amazon.
SSY, Sandy Yankee, copy.
Dow's down 260 points though right now. That worries me a little bit. I don't want to over leverage myself here if the markets are continuing to pull back. This might be a choppy day today. Love the trades we're in. We got some really nice trades. We closed out of the AMD trade.
SSY.
Ephraim, were you able to send out the alert for the AMD?
Actually,
Amazon continuing to climb, getting up to that 3240. Really tempted to jump into Amazon, at least to that 3255 area.
MLSS, Milestone Scientific, spiking to the highs now. Michael Lima Sandy, $2.43. Company announcing collaboration with the University of Texas at Galveston with its CompuFlow disposables. That's MLSS. Up 17% now at the high. Michael Lima Sandy. XPEV and LI, both at the highs of the day now.
Yeah, guys on YouTube, make sure you check out our app. It's totally free there for you guys to download. Go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, I guess it's called, and search Breaking Chart Alerts. It's a free download. Make sure you set your notifications to on, and you'll get all of our breaking news for the day. You'll get all of our trade alerts. You'll only be able to click on the trade alerts if you're logged in and you're a member. Everything else, though, you'll get. Nice, Ephraim. Good job. Let's see, what's Nvidia doing here? A little break in the markets here after that big climb this morning on a lot of tech. Let's see, today 1 minute, Nvidia coming down to that 20, which it's been doing. Let's see if it holds that 20. If it breaks that 545, you could be definitely looking at that 550 today if she breaks 545.
NEO seeing heavy option activity in NEO now. The Nvidia hot stir.
Let's see here.
Both in terms of the ability to administer vaccines to
At the highs, 99 cents, CHEK.
you're seeing it, and also just seeing it more broadly in the community on the ground there.
As Evans says, U.S. economy should prepare for a period of very low interest rates, expansion of central bank's balance sheet, sees coronavirus health crisis brought under control as year progresses, says downward bias to inflation expectations.
There goes Nvidia continuing to climb again.
Zero lower bound is serious problem. Evans says will likely take years to
What
get
a nice day to start the year.
Policy to be accommodative for a long time. Evans says interest rates will stay low for a long period. Fed will likely continue asset purchases for a while as well. Fed should not rush to raise rates unless inflation threatens to be uncomfortably high. Evans says Fed policy should not put benefits of strong labor market at risk if inflation is quiescent.
Uncertainty here in Jacksonville, much like cases are increasing over the country. We expect, unfortunately, we expect this increase to continue. We're looking at a surge on top of a post-holiday surge. Right now, we're able to maintain staffing, capacity, equipment. Our team
S&P futures continuing lower, 37.24, down 24.75.
Market's still pulling back, guys, so don't go long anything just yet. Just watch those momentum stocks that are still breaking higher. Around 10:45, I'm gonna have to get out and get to the chemo appointment. We'll definitely be live again here though this afternoon. First trading day of the year. Let's pick out some good sector rotation stocks we could be looking at for the month of January going into February. Let's see what's going on the watch list. That TRUL is now up 62% for the day. Nvidia up about, Tesla, AMD. Tesla's looking good. XCC. Twitter's up over 2% again today. Let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter's still in breakout momentum, guys. Stock's up about 2% for the day from 54 all the way up to about 55.50. Looking good. 6-month daily chart on Twitter, holding that 10. She needs to break out of that, let's say 56 to break out of that consolidation and have that next run there. Looking good, though. Nice job, Sergi. That AMD is looking great there still. Still higher than when we sold it. Disney pulled back down to that 10. Intel up about 2.31%. Tesla shares back up over 5% on the day. Here's Tesla over here to the right, looking good. Like that breakout there. Looking good, guys. Let's see. Unusual options activity. I'm checking that out here. Let me refresh it, see if there's anything new on here. Alcola AA, they're picking up the 25 strike calls for this week's expo. Let's see.
$144 million contract by the CDC.
Look at Alcola. Alcola's looking pretty good there.
That's Sandy November Yankee.
Good morning, David. Yes, Current Fed President Charlie Evans, the first out of the box with comments saying it will take years to get average inflation up to 2%. Sees not being at 2% a serious problem. Says policy will be accommodated for a long time, and the Fed will be near the zero lower bound also for a long time. Fed will be continuing asset purchases.
Amazon, they're picking up the 3230 calls on Amazon. Quite a bit of contracts on those too. If you guys take a look at that, volume today on the Amazon is at 566 contracts at $40.38. 38, multiply that by 566. That's about a $2.3 million trade on Amazon here that was made.
NIO, NEO, November India Oscar.
Baidu, they're picking up the 225 calls. Neo, a lot of calls picking up on Neo.
NEO shares up 11%.
Neo's really breaking out,
India
up
Oscar.
11% on the day. As that one continues to pop, I think you're gonna see Tesla continue to take off too. The reason why Neo's up so much compared to Tesla, simply because of the price range there. More people could afford a $54 stock compared to a $740 stock. That's why options, you're so much better leveraged. TSM, Thai Semiconductors there. That's got some unusual options activity coming in. Tesla, they're picking up the 745 calls for the January 8th Expo. Tesla 735 strike calls for the January 8th Expo. Tesla 740 strike calls for the January 15th Expo. BABA, they're picking up the 232.50 calls on the unusual options activity. Just watching that over here.
SLRX.
Just watching. This is the unusual options activity chart I like to look at here.
SLRX.
You know, we could go down here. Unusual options activity. That Tiva's a new one that just came up. Let's take a look at Tiva. Tesla's starting to break out again. Guys, AMAT's starting to look good here. AMAT. Might be able to do another quick little day trade on AMAT. Dow's down 300 points. Nasdaq's down about 25. So, guys, don't go long on many positions right now as the market's continuing to pull back from the highs there. I mean, AMAT, look at AMAT go, guys. Huge breakout on AMAT, back up to 89 bucks a share. There goes Tesla there. Tesla shares taking off again. Looking pretty good there. I like that setup. I think we're going to find some good swing trades for this week's expo when I come back here as well. AMAT still continuing to climb there, breaking that $89. There we go, 89.08. Big breakout there on the AMAT chart today, 1 minute. There goes Tesla continuing to climb there as well. Tesla's looking pretty good. Tesla trades up 3.5%. We're up about $260 on Tesla. She's continuing to climb there, making more highs there on that breakout. $271 on Tesla. I'll look for a quick $3,000 profit on that Tesla February 19th Expo.
Up here to the high on volume. Hotel Echo X-Ray Oscar, HEXO.
Whether you're navigating through downturns or upcycles, one asset class is versatile enough to achieve all returns, helping you make the right
Another big breakout there on Tesla.
gold, your strategic advantage.
AMAT 89.11.
ITCI, Intracellular Therapies, August 35.
89.13 on AMAT, continuing to climb.
You picked the card. It's CNBC's expertise put to work for you. Find the best credit card offers.
89.14 on AMAT, continuing to break out there.
Savings, accounts, and personal loans. It's everything you need to know to manage your credit.
Looking pretty good. Guys, by tomorrow morning, I'm going to have everything ready for you guys with the trade challenge details, what it is we're doing, looking for.
Bounce the trade idea off my firm. Same old lines. I mean, choosing technical indicators and proprietary research something. That's why I like Schwab. They help look out for your blind spots. Come on, Johnny, you got this, buddy. Speaking of blind spots.
It's time to trade up. Schwab helps you see the full
Little pullback here. Everything's pulling back there a little bit. Let's take a look at Qs and SPY. Big pullback on Qs, guys.
Tweeting Goodland Police Department, Kansas upgrades existing in-car and body cameras to new Evo HD systems purchased through subscription payment program. That's DGLY.
Guys, there's breaking news. Google employees are forming a union. Look at that.
Welcome back. Let's turn now to our Eunice Yoon. She's live in Beijing with a story on how the death of one Chinese billionaire is shocking that nation. Eunice.
That's huge news. Google employees.
Getting some volume here. Delta Golf being a Yankee.
Delta Golf. India Yankee.
BIOC. Biostep getting a pop to the high.
And he founded a company called Yuzu, which is probably best known overseas for its smash hit online strategy game called Game of Thrones. Winter is coming.
Google's pulling back quite a bit on that news that they're forming a union.
Ambitious works, and he had planned to work with Netflix as well as the creators of Game of Thrones to try to adapt a popular Chinese.
SPY's just been in break it down momentum all day.
To TV. He also had hoped and believed that he would be able to make this sci-fi thriller into.
Hey, Tyler, Bank of America. Remember what you're looking at with Bank of America. 30 bucks. 3-month daily chart there. It's still at that 10. You have to understand there, Tyler. Bank of America, on this breakout, we were at the highs of the day this morning on Bank of America. Intraday moves, you can't be worried about intraday moves. She was at 30. By the end of the day, she could be back up to 31. You know, like, you can't really worry about intraday moves. What we're looking for is a break below that 10. She breaks below that 10 by the end of the day, that's where I'd be out. See how she's holding that 30? She's back up to 30.03. You know, she's just trading with the market here. Take a look at SPY. You see that big breakdown on SPY? Well, Bank of America is a big constituent of SPY. So, you know, you have to be watching that. As the markets pull back, so is any of your other trades. You know, you just have to watch. Why is the SPY pulling back? Why is the market pulling back? Is it going to be sustained, or is it going to, you know, is it going to turn around here and climb? You know, if there's short-term news here. I think we're looking pretty good here. I like what, I like what tech's doing here. Twitter's up 1.7%. Intel's still up 1.7%. You know, Caterpillar's looking good. Tesla shares up 4.6%, up $33 for the day. You know, you can't worry about intraday moves there. Bank of America back up to 30.05 now, you know. So, for me, intraday moves, that's just part of trading. You know, she's not going to climb all day. Dow's down about 330 points here.
Many U.S. tech companies are global leaders. In this constantly changing sector, it's hard to know which companies.
Amazon shares are continuing to pull back quite a bit here. Let's see what Qs are doing. Q's still holding that 10. You know, still in breakout momentum, just a pullback from the highs today.
OPGN, Oscar Papa Golf November. OpGen spiking to the high.
Caterpillar.
43 cents, OPGN.
Caterpillar was looking good there,
US screen,
Quantum.
5 million fewer people at airport
That's not too bad.
2020 down 61%. That according to
2020, travel was down 61%. DGLY. And then we got to get going. Digital Ally shares looking pretty good. 3-month daily chart there coming off the lows. Not too bad. AMAT's still looking pretty good there. Tesla holding up pretty good, just trading in consolidation. AMD shares still up about 4%. Tilray up 7.5% there. Moderna shares up over 5%. Let's take a look at Moderna shares quick. Moderna's holding that 100 pretty well. That might be one I might look for a swing trade back up to about 130. I think you're right, Tyler. I think they're going to struggle with the business travelers for sure. And that made up the main part of their income there for the first class travelers. Alrighty, guys, I got to get going. I got chemo here at 11:30. Got to get ready. Got to go for the blood work before it. And usually it's about 2 hours. So 11, 12, 1:30, and then a half-hour ride back home. Should be back around 2 to 3 o'clock. Okay, guys? Guys, I'm feeling good. Third round of chemo. I'm halfway through it. I'm scheduled for 6 rounds. Today's the 3rd, so I'm feeling pretty good. My mother's leaving, going back home to Pennsylvania this week as well. So, we'll be back down to business here shortly. Thanks, Jack. Thanks, Brian. I appreciate that. Guys, have a great day. I will see you guys again shortly. We locked in that nice trade on AMD. We made a new trade on Tesla there, and we also locked in profits on AMAT. Bank of America, we'll be watching that today. I want to see that hold that $30. And guys, remember, our trade challenge is starting. We're going to be making some good trades for the trade challenge account. And I have something really nice set up for you guys that I'm going to be sharing with you guys over the next couple of days here. Okay, we're going to get back to business here, get back to classes, and most importantly, get back to education here. Okay, so nice day today, guys. Nice start to the year. Let's keep that going, that momentum, and I will see you guys, once I get back here. And guys, if you guys want to come sign up, we still have the promo code that's going to be ending. I didn't end that yet, but come join us. Go to breakingchartalerts.com and feel free to click join now, membership pricing plans. And if you guys want to sign up for the Elite Pro Trader, we have a special going on for that. Use Holiday 2020. Alrighty, guys. So take care, and I hope everyone has a great day there, okay? Take care, and if you guys have any questions, live support, go here, click there, and one of our representatives will get back to you. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you a little bit later on. Everyone have a great day. God bless, stay safe, and I hope everyone has a healthy, happy, and wealthy 2021. Alrighty, guys, talk to you later, and see you soon. Bye-bye.